It's FabFitFun mystery box time. My name is Christina Marie from Beauty on My Bee. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, and giveaways. We are doing an unboxing and a giveaway in this video. Speaking of giveaways, every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of December, it is the Ciate London Editor's Palette. This is mine that I'm going to show you, so it's obviously well used and swatched. Yours has not been touched or anything like that, but I kind of used some of these shades in creating today's look. So the information for that will be in the description box down below. For today's giveaway, you must be a subscriber to this channel, like the video, and somewhere in here will be a secret word that you need to know, and so that way you can put it on your Google form link. So, like I said, this is the FabFitFun mystery bundle. So every season, and even in between when they do their editor sales, they have a add-on sale, and one of the items that you can get is a mystery bundle for $29. There's over $75 worth of product in there. It's usually 4 to 5 items, and I've had some really good ones, and I've had some really bad ones. So I cannot wait to find out what's in here. I do have a code for FabFitFun if you'd like to sign up with them. It'll save you some extra money. I think it's $10 off your first box, and it saves me some money whenever I want to purchase anything from them in the future. So if you would like to use that code is in the description box down below. And then I also have some welcome boxes to give away from FabFitFun. What they do is every once in a while they send me out an email saying, hey, you have some welcome boxes if you want to give to some of your friends. All that they have to do is you give me your name, your email, and then I send that off to FabFitFun. And FabFitFun will send you an email saying, hey, Christina, I recommended you, for this project. And what it is you get a box full of goodies, and all you have to do is pay for shipping. So really good deal. It's not the full box, but you do get some goodies. Obviously the value's more than obviously than what you'd pay for shipping, way more. And it's a way for you to kind of try out FabFitFun and say, hey, is this something that I like? Remember when you actually sign up that you get to pick some of your items versus this just kind of what they think that you would like. And you signed up for you sign up and then you have 21 days to cancel if it's something that you think that you're going to cancel. So if it's something that you're interested in, let me know, and I can get your information sent off to FabFitFun. So let's find out what is in our winter FabFitFun mystery bundle. You guys know I was a fan of these when they first came around. It is the Quay Vivian sunglasses in Black Smoke. They retail for $60. And flattering on every face shape, these oversized aviators feature a black middle frame, double bridge, and adjustable nose pads for a no-slip wear. I do think I'm gonna pass this one along to one of my girlfriends, though. I need prescription sunglasses for when I drive, and so otherwise I do think they are super cute. So the COSRX, I've never heard of that brand. Have you guys? Let me know in the comments down below. This is their PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream. Combining gentle exfoliation with hydration, COSRX PHA Moisture Renewal Power Cream. It is designed for sensitive and dehydrated skin. Yes, please, on both of those. That need an extra TLC, polyhydronic acids. PHAs, along with coconut water, provides a mild exfoliation to remove dead skin cells that cause dullness while also hydrating the skin to plump up the moisture. This one does retail for $22.90. Also from COSRX is the Ultimate Nourishing Rice Overnight Spa Mask. Retails for $18. And wake up in the mornings as if you've gone to the spa. Enriched with more than 68% rice extract, this mask provides intense nourishment and deep moisturization to help the skin clearer and softer. The OG is back. This is the original beauty blender. I obviously love mine. Don't look at mine's like really gross because I used it today for my makeup. You guys want to know a simple trick to clean these? Is when you are washing like your sheets, your towels, or anything like that, like on a sanitize cycle, especially the beauty blenders for me anyway, I don't need a bag or anything else. I can just toss this in the washing machine when it's doing it sanitized and it comes out really clean, and then I just dry it separately. Do not put them in the dryer. And they hold up for me to do that. So this does retail for $20. Get a flawless application with the beauty blender. How I use them is, I'll put on my foundation first and just kind of move the foundation around the face. Don't worry about blending it quite yet. And then I'll go back in, make sure I get it wet first and then kind of wring it out. So that way it's damp on you. And then I go in and I just bounce it all over the skin to try and give it kind of like an airbrushed type of look. So they are my favorite sponges so far that I've tried. So from Saturday Skin is your Future Looks Bright 3-piece set, retailing for $35. So you do get 2 probiotic power masks, and then you also get a Wide Awake brightening eye cream. So these are the original highly rated products, you guys. I really like them. Secret word, mystery. So the retail value of this bundle is $155. You only spent $29 on it. Geeked out about some of these products, and I thought it was a pretty good bundle. I've had better, I've had a lot worse. So let's give the Saturday Skin bundle to one of you guys. So the giveaways are really easy. In the description box down below is a Google form. You'll need to fill that out. Make sure to put on it the secret word and also your YouTube name so I can verify that yes, this person is a subscriber. Make sure to watch this video in its entirety. I've got to get my watch time minutes up. Do not put the secret word in the comment section down below or your comment will be deleted and you'll be disqualified. Make sure to only fill out that Google form once. I've had people do it multiple times and it's not really. Just be cool with it, okay guys? Let's have this giveaway go through January 12th, and then on January 13th, we'll go ahead and pick the winner for this, doing a random number generator. You can get 2 extra bonus entries if you go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is Beauty AMA, AMA, and the letter B. And if you share this video, that'll get you an extra bonus entry as well. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. This is me giving back to you. I love being a ray of sunshine for you guys. What a way to kick off the new year. Love, love, love giving back to you guys. This giveaway is open internationally. I am, though, not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, tariffs, customs, lost in transit, damaged, anything like that for it to get to you. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a couple other videos for you if you have the time. I greatly appreciate you guys watching them. Like I said, I'm trying to grow the channel here, and if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun group here. Everybody's so supportive of one another. I hope that you guys have a beautiful rest of your day. stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck in the giveaway. Bye.